How to buy a corn token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is will be listed on MEXC, so to be able to buy this token on MEXC, what you need to do, just go and log in to your MEXC account. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC account, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, click on the search bar and type corn, as you can see, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to be able to relax to this page. Now as you can see here wait a few seconds. As you can see here, you need to wait 1 day before going and buy this token. So after this token will be listed and available for trade on MEXC, I will give you an example how to buy it. Now for example, this is our token. Now first of all, click on this pair that has USDT. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, now first of all, what you need to do, click on buy, select the limits. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy corn. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy corn token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.